Good morning everyone! Today morning walk tayo ngayon guys. Malapit na may pasok ang alaga ko. Next week na, sa Monday na yung pasok na. This is his last week na magkasama kami buong araw. Ayan. Say hello to them. Hello.
I almost in primary 2.
You're already primary 2 ma.
Not yet.
Yes.
It's
So
not.
ayan guys, lakad-lakad tayo ngayon dyan sa likod, dan sa silip tayo sa waterfalls, dan ikot. Ayun lang guys. Kakatapos lang namin nag-breakfast. Ayan. At niyaya ko siyang bumaba bago ako maglinis. See? Ang alaga kong makulit. Ayan.
Makli.
Are you handsome? Gwapo ka? Pangit? You're not pangit? Gwapo? Nabangsit ka.
No. You're not fancy.
So, ayan. See you later, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Medyo takot siya. Be careful, okay?
What?
It's okay. Just walk slowly, okay? Then later we back home, we can walk to other side.
Can just walk down here?
No. So ayan, nakalagpas na kami sa medyo makitid na daan guys. Kaya pinatay ko kanina kasi ayan, takot siya. Hindi siya marunong lumakad sa medyo matarik, ganyan. Okay, fighty, fighty. Ayan, medyo malalago na yung mga damo guys. Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan guys, dito na kami. I forgot to take plastic. I want to take soil for my plants. Soil? Yes. Okay, okay. What? Too high all the... You see, last time it's not like this.
Yes. We just walk this
Get fruits. So, someone dropped the eyeglasses, eh? may mga nakasulat na siya, guys. Kalat mo, pulutin mo, sabi niya. Tapos may nakaiwan ng eyeglass. No, I don't want to wear. That one is not mine. Ayan. Why?
So pain a bit some.
What pain? It's not pain.
Some feel like that.
Scratch you? No, that's why we spray the mosquito like that. No, it's not bee. It's a fly. It's just walk. Takot siya guys kahit yung maliit na langaw, mga ganyan. Yung mga lamok, alam niyo yung lamok pag makakita yan, sisigaw yan sa bahay. Kahit yung mga sipsip. Takot na takot. Ay, Diyos ko, paano na lang kaya kung pupunta ng Pilipinas to? Ang daming langaw. Lalo na kapag panahon ng mangga. Oh, yes, we are here. Slowly, walk slowly. Cannot run. Yay! Ayan guys, andito tayo ulit sa waterfalls. Ayan. It's nice. Oh, walk this way, not there. This is here. You afraid, me? Give me your hand. To school. Madali lang siya kasing matumba, guys. Malaki ang katawan. Biruin nyo, 7 taon pa lang yan. Lagpas balikat ko na siya. Tapos, ang timbang niya, 34 kilos. Kaya ano, mahilig pa naman kasi kumain ng mga gulay-gulay, denengdeng, ginisang munggo. Ayan, mga gustong-gusto niya ulam, guys. Adobo. Ayan, oh, pwede tila. Ah, you with me? You go stay there. Here. Ay, I also have the bird, you see? There. May ibon, guys. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun.
We can walk there?
No. Why, you want to go walk there?
Ayan.
What aya?
Ayan guys, tignan nyo. Nalagyan ng buhangin yung loob ng tsinelas niya. Ayan o. O diba? Medyo naano ng paan niya. Marami daw dumi yung sa tsinelas na niya. Ayan o. Hugas-hugas na siya. So ayan. Tapos mamaya tuloy namin lakad-lakad doon. Kasi katapos ng mga ulan-ulan na panahon, guys, kaya malalago na yung mga halaman. Ayan. Can give me my bag? I want to drink coffee.
Okay.
Oops. Thank you. Be careful, you cannot wet. Later on, I afraid you wet your clothes. Hey, it's cannot kape tayo, guys. Ayan. Pasensya na, kita na yung mga puti kong buhok. Oh, God, my goodness. Mas lalo akong tumatanda nito. So, ayan. He's enjoying, guys. Ayan, oh, nag-e-enjoy siya. Oh. 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 We cannot take all the stones there, ah. Malinis na ngayon, guys. Wala nang mga kalat-kalat. Promise. Wala na yung mga tambak na basura, no? Tulad nung post ko noon. Last na post ko. Why? You tired? Hey, enough. Don't put all the stones there. I cannot take out the stones there. People put that one. Just take those inside the water. Even though just there, here, just there, you take stones. Guys, ayaw na niyang umuwi. Nasarapan siya sa lamig ng tubig, guys. Sarap na sarap siya sa lamig ng tubig. Ayan. Be careful, your hands. Uy. Ay, what should I do, guys? Ayaw na niyang umuwi. Oh my goodness. Hindi pa ako nakalinis ng bahay. Kung ano-ano na lang, oh. Tingnan nyo.
Heart.
Gusto daw niyang mag-swimming, kaso lang wala siyang gamit. Maybe next time, dalahan ko siya ng pang-swimming, guys. Now, maybe next time, Romeo, we can ask mommy permission. Then, you can swim here. You want tomorrow? If mommy okay, we come here again tomorrow. Then you swim. Then okay, we can back home now. We go walk around because we still need to walk there. We don't walk here already. That's why you're afraid to walk.
We try to find the gold.
You're trying to find the gold? What do you think have gold in here? Oh my goodness. Then you think just like that one we always watch? Maghanap daw siya ng gold, guys. Oh my goodness, your pepe. You see, your pepe is wet already. I see your butt. Your butt is wet already.
Let me find the red one. I like this.
Here I got the stones last time. Have the stone, have the white inside. I pick up a stone. Really, I show you later on when we're back home. I'll show you the stone. It's so nice, the stone. It's the tiles.
Maybe
It's for the house.
it's maybe this.
Isang pasada, guys, sa surroundings. Ayan.
You see now? And then I want to get them see. Because this one is for the from the bird who can put in food and the bird. I have seen them so many times throughout this one.
What's that?
It's put in the clothes last time, do you remember? That is so long time ago. Then someone
Is the badge?
is the from the thing help you to not to hit you. But so many one die. Is this one dropped in here?
Ebe?
Because also
It's storya ng alaga ko, guys. No, I don't want to take it. Put in your side pocket.
it's good.
Binulsa niya yung bato, guys. Nung unang panahon pa daw yung batong yun, sabi niya. So, ayan, guys. Pauwi na kami. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye!